What if I told you that saving money is not what makes people wealthy? What if the habit you were taught to believe in is quietly keeping you poor? This is not another motivational talk. This is a true-to-life story about a man who did everything right financially and still lost everything. Stay till the end of this story because the lesson you'll learn may change how you see money forever.
This is Beyond Stories, where every story carries a lesson and every lesson touches the heart. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a story that could inspire your next step. Now, let's go deeper into the story.
This is the story of Aman. Aman grew up hearing one sentence over and over again. Save your money. One day it will save you. So he obeyed. From his first salary, Aman became disciplined. He avoided enjoyment. He skipped celebrations. He said no to opportunities that looked risky. While others spent, Aman saved. Every month he watched his bank balance grow, and it gave him peace, or so he thought. People praised him. You're wise, they said. You think about the future. But quietly, Aman felt stuck. Years passed. Aman had savings, but his life didn't change. Same job, same routine, same frustration. He wanted more, but fear kept him still. Every opportunity that required risk made him uncomfortable. What if I lose my savings? What if it doesn't work? What if I fail? So he saved more and invested nothing, neither in skills, nor ideas, nor growth, until one morning changed everything. The company Aman worked for collapsed without warning. No notice, no compensation, no mercy. Just like that, his income disappeared. At first, Aman wasn't afraid. I have savings, he told himself. But weeks turned into months. Bills came, opportunities passed him by, and slowly the savings began to shrink. That was when Aman realized a painful truth. Money you don't grow eventually finishes. One evening, Aman met an old friend who looked calm and confident despite having less money saved. Curious and confused, Aman asked, "Aren't you afraid of the future?" The friend smiled and replied softly, "I don't save money alone. I invest in myself. Money comes and goes, but value attracts money." That sentence stayed with Aman long after the conversation ended. For the first time, he understood that his savings had protected him, but never prepared him. Aman stopped worshiping money. He used what was left to learn new skills, to build value, to solve problems. It wasn't easy, it wasn't instant, but something changed. People started calling him, opportunities started opening, money began to return, not because he saved it, but because he became valuable. Years later, Aman teaches others what life taught him the hard way. Savings can protect you temporarily, but only value can sustain you permanently. Money stored without growth eventually disappears, but purpose and skill create income that never runs dry. Never save money at the expense of growth. Never protect money more than your purpose, and never confuse comfort with progress. If this story changed how you think about money, imagine what the next one will do. Subscribe to this channel for more deep, realistic, life-changing stories, because sometimes one story is all it takes to change your life.
This is Beyond Stories,